Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Pro and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list, let me go back. In this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental controls. Let's tap. So here we've got the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 5 minutes only, and most of the time I've spent on the settings and then Chrome. Here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So if you'd like to check some further details, you have to tap inside this graph. This is the first way. And here you've got the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them. And under it, you've got also the list of apps which you've been using. And if you will decide that you're spending too much time on the specific app, you can set a timer. So simply tap on this icon here. And then you can set the timer, I don't know, 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's totally up to you. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times open. So, for example, you can set the timer for the app from which you're receiving most notifications. So that was the first way, and the second way is to tap directly on the app. So again, you've got this dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Here you've got also ways to disconnect. Again, we've got app limits, but we've got also bedtime mode and focus mode, which are really, really useful. For example, focus mode. Let's pretend that the Chrome and the calculator are the most distracting apps in my case. So I'm just marking them and then tap on set a schedule. Now I can choose specific days of the week and the specific time frame. So for example, it could be 9 to 5. And during this schedule, this device will simply limit the notifications from those apps. I mean, they will be hidden. So you will not be distracted and you will be able to focus, for example, on work, on school, or, I don't know, resting at home, whatever. So I think it is a really nice idea to use it. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.